Hello everyone, I'm very happy you are here today. This video is made especially for people who want to improve their English skills. The story name is The Brave Sparrow and the Golden Tree Story. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful village near a forest. In the center of the village stood a golden tree. Its leaves shined in the sunlight, and its fruits were sweet and magical. The villagers believed the tree was a blessing. A little sparrow named Chiku lived on that tree. Chiku was small but very kind. Every morning he sang sweet songs that made everyone happy. Trouble in the village. One year, a cruel woodcutter came to the village. When he saw the golden tree, his eyes filled with greed. This tree will make me rich, he thought. He decided to cut it down. When Chiku heard this, he became worried. He flew to the villagers and tried to warn them, but no one understood the language of birds. Forest friends help. Chiku flew deep into the forest and met his friends Bholu the elephant, Meena the deer, and the Kalu monkey. Chiku told them about the danger. All the animals decided to help save the golden tree. The clever plan. The monkey jumped around the woodcutter and stole his axe. The elephant blocked the road with his big body. The deer ran fast and called the villagers. Suddenly, dark clouds filled the sky and heavy rain started. The woodcutter slipped and fell into the mud. His axe broke and he ran away in fear. Happy ending. The villagers understood that the forest animals and saved the tree. They promised to protect nature forever. Chiku returned to his nest happily. The golden tree continued to shine, spreading happiness in the village. Moral of the story: nature and kindness should always be protected. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video and listen carefully. If you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe this channel and follow this channel. Thank you. And sang louder than ever.